improv is such a misused word in movies, because you never, unless you're, I don't know, even if you're Ken Loach or whatever, you're still doing that in rehearsals and then kind of forging the script out of improvs and all that. You don't show up at the set kind of like, let's see what happens. Very rarely does somebody do that. It's really more about kind of, just like finding different punchlines, trying different attitudes, trying a different middle of the scene of like, well, maybe what goes over here. But the way that I work is I don't rehearse. Because in the past, in my early career, like, we have to do a camera rehearsal, and you get everybody in there and they're doing this scene and you're like, oh my God, this is so good. I wish we had shot it, and then once you start shooting, I've had so many times you're like, can you do like that thing you did in rehearsal? I don't remember what I did. It's like, so now I just kind of go like, okay, I think you're going to be here. You're going to be here. Let's set up the cameras, or let's like just literally don't do anything other than just read in a monotone as you do this, just to show me where you think you're going to go. And then we just start shooting. And then I don't give any direction when we first start shooting. I know where I want to go. I know what I want. I know what I want the take to be, but I don't want to influence them yet. So I let them do their thing. And, most of the time it's kind of not what you think it's going to be. But then, then I go, oh, well, try this. And I slowly, incrementally move them down the line towards the take that I think I want. And most times when I get to the take I think I wanted, I don't want it anymore, because I think they've come up with more interesting stuff and it's a little more nuanced and open. But by the time I get to that point, I've probably got 8-10 takes of varying degrees that then when I get in the editing room, then I can try anything. And I've got a million, I've got a lot of different ways to go. So it gives me the most variety.